round 2. Ooh, almost burned. I don't want to burn my mic. But anyways, here we are, 30th day of July, 2023. Kind of a last video, chance to walk around with Sue Ellen in Buffalo, hanging out. So come on down here. Like the last video, I've seen it, but I've never been down here, and I'm so glad. Regardless of videoing, just walking down here. This is the stuff of having a YouTube channel and trying to find a place to go. Hey, the Wonder Hussies, the Wandering Gypsies, all these people that really have to really do a video every day, or whatever they do to pray it goes out. Whatever I get, I'm doing every single day. This is what makes YouTube fun, is that live streaming, you know, the trash and the crap going on right now in July here. This is more fun. This is what it's all about. This makes your channel fun, or just yourself. So we only start smoking marijuana here Tuesday, but there's no, like I said in the last video, there's no dispensaries yet. Should we go down here? I am gonna buy some more batteries for this one, so I got more than 2. Not too bad. You had shoes, you could walk in there. So it's not far from the Sahara's where it's cold. They got a lot of snowpack up there, still coming down. So up in Mammoth, I think it is. So, hang on a minute. There you go. People are still bitch. They took on the GoPro 11. They took the chance to go to live stream, and one guy said they don't use it, which is true. This camera is used what you're doing right now, making a video, people to watch, not to live stream on. That's what computers are for and phones are for. Go over there and. Probably can't camp here, but want to come down here, leave no trace. They always say, when we go camping, me and my buddy, we burn all our garbage, and then we dig a hole in the camp area and cover it all up. What do you guys think, huh? Nice preserve. I'm glad I followed this trail. I really am. Mother Nature at its finest. I think the Mighty Mo is, well, it's a little farther, but up there, over here. No, that's a cool place. This is very nice. You know, this thing, when it rains and pours, you know this is just rushing down. Yeah, I gotta go. Might stop by Target on the way home and get some more batteries. I know I saw them there one day, the one at Target on Eden Prairie. Get some more so I can, if I do want to go more in the fall when it's cooler, if I find a cool place to go, I can use more batteries. But I can usually get on this battery when it's a nice day. I can get, I did one with Latina in the car, I did the slums, and then I did the other place you saw, and then this one, so the other one. So I'll be able to get, you know, I like when I can get like 10 videos or 8 videos and put them on in advance, then go do other things. And been wanting to come here for, like I said, for the longest time, and I finally had a chance to come here when I went to South St. Paul. So right on, this is somewhere you could get off on the highway over there, and you're in the area at the airport, drive over here and walk down here with your family. What do you guys think, huh? All that stuff, huh? This would be great for like a movie set. Like you can camp right over here. It's like a horror movie because you have the look at the flowers over there. And you've got the flowers over here. It'd be a cool place for like a movie, like a kill. You can camp over there if you want to for the night. Just make sure you take it in with you. You know, down here, if you get a chance coming on the fall, be beautiful down here. You know, the leaves are turning. Come down here and get lost, especially at, you guys have seen me down there at Fort Snelling. I've been down there before. And there's, you can walk down there if you're some kid, mom drop you off with your friends and where you go. I need to bring water with me because I wasn't going to be very hot, but if you're down here, you're away from the sun, it's not too bad. I'd say right now, it feels like it's like 60 degrees. So, look at that bad boy, huh? Hello, anybody home? But see, a lot of people that wouldn't do anything like this. If they did, if they did anything like this, they would probably do about 10 videos and edit them all together. That just takes too much time. This is the 4th video today I've done. And I'll probably do who knows how many. You do 3 at a time, you upload it, you put your thumbnail, you date it, you come back, you do the other 3, and you highlight, and boom, it's up and you're done. It's a matter of half hour of all of them just to put them up. It's just doom, done. Come back and it's already there and ready to go. So real easy to do this stuff. That's a tall trail to walk up there. I could walk up there, but I don't know. Should I or shouldn't I? Should I attempt to? What the hell, huh? I don't know. Should I be a Nancy boy or should I go up there? This might not be too good. Shall we? Dun, dun, dun. I might as well. I'm healthy. I can do it. Some people couldn't do this. They're in wheelchairs, so people that can't do this, this is for you. Oh, it's crazy. I don't want you to have my baby. I want my shoes falling off. Oh shit. Ooh, that was close. I'm climbing Mount Everest, right? With no oxygen. Well, I might not be able to do this. I should have bought one of those sticks. Poor choice. I'm gonna make it to the peak. I have a poor choice. I made it. I made it. Top of Mount Everest. What do you think, huh? All right. Well, the next battery. I got lucky, didn't kill myself. See you in the next one, Yahoo.